Good morning students, Ms. Poonam this side. I am here to continue chapter 2 biological classification. In today's class, I will be discussing about kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia along with virus, viroids and lichens. So let's start our class for the day. Kingdom Plantae includes all eukaryotic chlorophyll containing organism called plant. As we know that the most of the plant are autotrophic in nature because they can carry out the photosynthesis process to prepare their food. But few members of this kingdom are partially heterotrophic such as insectivorous, for example Venus flytrap as you can see on the left side of the slide, and some are can be parasite like cascata. We also say as a dodder. Insectivorous means they can trap the insect and engulf as their food, and parasite means they are dependent on the living host. As we can see on the right hand side of the slide, that is cascata, or we can also say as the dodder. Plantae also includes algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. These all the division we will be discussing in our chapter 3, that is all about the kingdom Plantae. So moving to the kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia includes multicellular heterotrophic eukaryotic organism, means these organisms made up of more than a single cell, and they are heterotrophic means they are dependent on the other organism for their food. Their mode of nutrition is holozoic. Holozoic means they are having the cavity inside the body and they digest their food inside the body. They also follow the definite growth patterns, and most of them are capable of locomotion, means they can move from one place to the other place. As you can see some of the examples over this slide, the kingdom Animalia, it includes all type of organism, either mammals, reptiles, eels, etc. So these all are depend on the other organism for their food, so that they are heterotrophic in nature. So now moving to the next topic, that is virus. Viroids and lichens. As we have already studied about the five kingdom classification given by R.H. Whittaker, these are such organisms that do not come under the five kingdom classification because they do not show such features to put in any of the kingdom given by the R.H. Whittaker. So let's study about the feature of viruses, viroids and the lichens. So let's start with the viruses first. Viruses. What exactly the viruses are? As you know that nowadays the entire world is facing a very critical problem that is created by the virus, and you also continuously are listening this word virus, COVID-19 virus. But what exactly this virus, coronavirus, what exactly these viruses are? So let's talk about the virus. Pasteur and D.J. Levanovsky in 1897, they coined the Latin name virus, that exactly the means of poison. Means the virus means is poison. And what is the nature of the viruses? Viruses are not truly living. They are non-cellular organism and have an inert crystalline structure outside the living cell that consists largely protein. Meaning to say that the viruses, they are not living organisms. But when they come in the contact of the host cell or come in the contact of the living cell, they start multiply very rapidly, and they have the protein spikes on entire their surface. They also contains the genetic material, either it is DNA or RNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA means ribonucleic acid. And these are the microorganism, they can also create the disease such as mumps, smallpox, AIDS, influenza and corona. You can see the two pictures of virus given on the right hand side of the slide. The upper picture is the picture of coronavirus and influenza virus picture is given below. These are the pictures of viruses that create the problem, disease such as corona and influenza respectively. So now moving to the viroids. Viroid sounds like a virus, but they have a difference. This term, viroid, first of all discovered by the Theo Danier in 1971. Viroids cause the potato spindle tuber disease, and if we talk about the genetic material is found to be a free RNA, and it is the major difference between the virus and viroids is that the viroids have the lack of the protein coat. This makes them differ from the viruses. The RNA of viroids is low in molecular weight compared to the viruses. So these are the difference between virus and viroids. So let's talk about our next topic, that is lichens. Lichens are the symbiotic association between algae and the fungi. They both are depend on each other for their food and shelter. As algae are autotroph, they provide food to the fungi and fungi provide shelter to algae. Algal component is called as phycobiont and the fungal component is called as mycobiont. If we talk about the special feature of lichens, they are very good pollution indicator. Means they do not grow in the polluted area. So with this topic, we have done with our chapter 2 biological classification. I hope I made this chapter clear to you, but still if you have any kind of query, you can write down in a comment section. In further classes, we will start our third chapter, Plant Kingdom. So for further classes, stay tuned with the YouTube channel Biological Classes with Miss Poonam. Thank you so much for being with me. See you in the next class. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.